Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import a 3D model into the Shapespark desktop application so you can start building interactive visualizations right away. Start by launching the Shapespark desktop app. Then, click the Import Your Scene button. Shapespark supports several different file types. In this example, I'll import an FBX file. Browse to your 3D model file, select it, and click Open. Here, you can set a name for your scene. The model will now be imported into Shapespark as a new scene. Once the import is complete, your new scene will appear in the list. Click Edit to open it in the Shapespark editor, where you can add lighting, tweak materials, and set up the scene for baking. And that's it! You've successfully imported a 3D model into Shapespark. Now you're ready to bring it to life with real-time lighting and interactive navigation.